You've identified the energy drainers, but now what? Because cutting people off isn't always easy, especially when it's friends, family, or co-workers. The truth is, you don't need to fight people. You just need to protect your energy smarter. Here are 5 powerful ways to deal with energy drainers without losing yourself. Tip 1. Set clear boundaries. You don't have to be available all the time. Start small, limit how long conversations last. Say things like, "I can't talk long today," or "I need to focus on something." Boundaries are not rejection. They're protection. Tip 2. Stop over-explaining yourself. You don't need a long excuse to protect your peace. The more you explain, the more they push back. Here's an example. Instead of giving a full story, just say, "That won't work for me." Truth is, simple and firm is powerful. Tip 3. Control the environment. Don't meet draining people when your energy is already low. Choose when, where, and how long you interact. Let's say have short calls instead of long meets, public places instead of deep emotional settings. Tip 4. Don't absorb everything. Not every problem they bring is yours to carry. Listen, but don't take it in emotionally. Imagine their words bouncing off you instead of sinking into you. Empathy doesn't mean emotional exhaustion. Tip 5. Be willing to create distance. This is the hardest, but sometimes necessary. If someone constantly drains you and refuses to change, you may need to step back. Distance is not hate, it's self-respect. When you start protecting your energy, you'll notice something powerful. You feel lighter, clearer, more in control of your life. That's it. Which one are you starting today? And if this helped you, subscribe for more real-life mindset shifts.